Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And finally today I'm doing this video and I'm going to be sharing the grade 1 curriculum that I will be following with Vivaan throughout the year. We've already started, and I'm sorry it took me a lot of time because I generally follow a schedule for Vivaan. So I have been trying to accommodate a lot of things in that schedule with the crazy stuff that's going in the school, plus the classes and a lot of festivities. So I was not able to conclude. However, I have tried my level best to conclude. On that separate note, I will be sharing my October calendar with you in a different video. But today I will be talking and sharing what we are going to do in grade 1 as an extended curriculum, which is part which the school will be doing, and a lot that we will be doing at home. So the first two things that we will be practicing would be a lot of reading and spelling, because we are going to be prepping for spell bee, and that's our focus point for this year. So we are going to do a lot of reading and focusing on spelling and reading, and then looking for the meanings and trying and doing a lot of stuff just about words and the pronunciation and phonics. However, I'm going to show it to you guys. I have actually bifurcated it in different ways. So you have social studies, maths, English, science, Spanish, because we're doing Spanish in the school, Hindi, because we do at home. Writing and reading is separate, and then overall development, the goals that we have. So I'll go very quickly with maths first. In maths, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction up to 5 to 6 digit of addition with carry forward, different ways of adding. So we will have number bonds, regrouping, word problems, and just simple subtraction and addition in different ways of doing it. Then we'll be covering place value. That's a video which is pending for so long. So long. I know I've been just not able to like make it so far, but I have to because it's on the agenda now, and it's on the second agenda. Okay, then time we will be revising, which we did last year too. Then we'll be doing different shapes, measurement, centimeters, meters, length, and then we will be looking at data reading and representing, which we did last year too, but there'll be like a little more. We did the pie, the graphs. I will be linking up the videos, just like sharing like what all we've already done and just giving you a point of reference. Then multiplication, of course, and then be a lot of revision on greater than and smaller than, and even odd, ordinal numbers, Roman numerals, and fraction we'll just do as like a touch of intro. We'll not be going in the depth, at least not till next April or May. So that's my agenda for maths. There'll be a lot of practice. We are doing a lot of practice of maths. I have made these small words. I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain that. I'm gonna show it as a picture. Maybe like I'm gonna show you in a different way. So I have used the cards, the flashcards, and I have just used a ring binder, and I've created a lot of exercises of maths for him, so that like he doesn't need to sit down with the with a notebook or a pen or something. So I just keep it on the table or on the side somewhere, and whenever he gets time he just does it. And I think it's pretty funny because it's so small and short, compact, and you can do so many things in that. Okay, going next to English, we will be forming sentences using capital letter, a lot of punctuation, grammar. We'll be just focusing on that. Blends and digraphs are going to be going at the same time. Article, verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Reading skills, it needs to be, again, you will understand the story, re-narrate, and then we do the spellings. Synonyms, homonyms, opposites, and a lot of comprehension. But in English, the focus is if you're reading and writing at the same time, like articles, verbs, nouns, and adjectives are going to go hand in hand. Noun we did, adjectives I think I did with him. We are doing verbs right now at home. And articles, my stuff is ready. I have to just record a video and upload it. I haven't started articles with Vivaan yet. I have to do it. Okay. Now I will go to social studies. Social studies, we are doing rules and laws. We are doing American people, symbols, states, and capitals. You would have already seen a video where Vivaan is talking about 37, 38 states and different states and their capitals of US. Then we're doing landform and resources. What we have here, helpers, holidays, because the holiday season is right around the corner, and we keep having one or the other things. So every time we have a holiday in US, I try and discuss, I try and Google, or I try and ask the teacher like what is the exact meaning, and then we try and do it with him. And it's the same thing with the Indian holidays too. So if you're in any other country, or if you're in India but you do not celebrate that occasion, I would say that you please still try and explain it to your child. It's easy for them to understand that there are so many different ways of celebrations, of celebrating, and there are different people who are celebrating all these occasions. Then we have neighborhood helpers, goods and services, past, present, and future. Maps and globes. I have kept the maps, and that's how we are doing the states and capital through the map, and we would be doing the globe at the same time. Now, for science, we would be doing life cycles, measuring water, air, and temperature, types of clouds. It's This is something that we did yesterday. I did not make a video, but I will be like posting up some pictures that we did yesterday. Weather, solid, liquid, gas, and magnets. For Hindi, we'll be focusing on a lot of speaking. Again, reading, writing. So Kakhaga till the end, read and write. And then colors, animals, flowers, fruits, vegetable. If he's able to read and recognize the word, that's great. More speaking and more Hindi videos. Similar with Spanish, rhymes 1 to 40 in terms of number. I think for Hindi, he knows 1 to 40. We can do 1 to 50 now. In Spanish, short sentences, 50 plus words. Animals, vegetables, just like you need to just know. Then in terms of writing and reading program, we'll be taking notes writing, which is short and crisp, 5 lines about small moments like today's dinner. So he would be just writing like 4 or 5 lines about what he ate for the dinner and how it was, just being in that moment, or when I sat in the car, or about the yellow boot, or about the flower that I saw in the morning, or there was the bird sitting next to me. Like anything short but 5 lines, simple. What I did was I gave an eraser to Vivaan, and I told him to draw and write few things about the eraser, like 5 lines. It was fun. Then we'll be focusing a lot on non-fiction book reading, highlight, rewrite, and make an anchor chart. So we tried doing clouds, so that in science we did clouds, and in reading and writing then we did clouds. We will be doing more, and I will be sharing that with you if you guys want. We'll be writing short book reviews that we were already writing in last year. We started writing that, and we will be continuing with that. Short stories using story cards. So like earlier we used to use the story cards and he used to narrate the story. So now he will be not narrating the story, he would be writing the story. In terms of development, it's very personal. So I want Vivaan, he's already in swimming and karate right now, and he's playing chess. So there are some goals that are set there for him. Then he's loving dribbling through under his feet. It's better if he could just do a little more of that. And that's the heading that I'm talking about of development. Able to resolve a conflict. If he's into a conflict, he's able to resolve it by himself rather than getting it to me. Escalate to me when you're not able to figure it out, and if you really think a parent is required. Then suggest a game and play with your friends. It happens a lot of times that you can suggest, they say no, but you have to compromise somewhere, come to a conclusion and figure it out. He should be more concerned about himself and not for others. He gets in trouble like just by helping people or just trying to like figure out what's happening in their life. I don't think so that's a good idea for him right now. He needs to just like mind his own business. Then he would be starting off ski this year, so we'll be focusing on that. He loves clicking pictures, so a lot more of using camera, uploading. And then he is coming up with his YouTube channel, so like that's his idea. He wants to do something on his YouTube channel, and I would be just helping him to get it through. So that's it, guys. I think that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff to finish in one grade, like year one. And we have been going pretty good so far. I haven't included any brain teasers or the word games or the word hunt, or I don't know what not. Maybe I would have missed, I'm sure, tons of stuff. I don't know, but I think we'll be able to finish this so much, and all my activities will somewhere revolve and focus all these things. Let me know, guys, if this was useful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. If you have friends and families whose kids are like Vivan's age or are younger, Please do share my channel. I think we have some wonderful videos for all age groups now up to 7 and 8 years old, and it'll be great to just expand the family here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.